Hi everybody, my name is Moksha and I want to take a minute and tell you about my new drawing workshop that I posted to my website. It's called Drawing as Meditation, and I'm excited to share this process with you because for me it's really done a lot to develop my style as an artist. It's something that has evolved slowly over time as I've allowed myself to relax into the process and let it unfold naturally. I'll show you an example rather than try to explain it. The process is kind of like making a mandala, and you start at the center and you don't think too much about it, lay down a shape, and then you start to work out and build upon that first shape. And so I like to say that this is a process where the first mark you make on the page is completely arbitrary. It could be anything, but each successive mark that you make is less and less arbitrary, because we start to develop a shape language, so to speak, and everything has to start to relate to one another if you want a cohesive drawing. So I'm repeating motifs, certain shapes. The diamond appears over and over and over again in this drawing. And here's another one that's kind of star-like. You get the idea. This is an experiment with a slide ruler, so my consistent angles and again my diamond shapes happen over and over again and create a consistent drawing. And so this is a simple workshop. It's about 7 videos, although I keep adding videos to it every day. But it'll take about an hour of your time to get through. I've tried to keep it very basic, but yet I think it's a workshop for everybody. I explain some of the tools and some of the basic elements of a drawing. There's 2 more lengthy demos. One is on symmetrical drawing, and the other one explores more of an organic process of drawing as meditation. And then I've added to amend the workshop, I've added a few time-lapse drawings where you can just see a few of these things unfold as I make them. And I think watching those can be just as educational for you. So you can find the link in my profile and go check it out, read more about it. It's a donation-based workshop, pay whatever you want. I could sure use your support right now, so if you want to donate something, please feel free. There's a PayPal button there on the workshop page. And I look forward to sharing this with you, and please give me any feedback if you have any, and have fun drawing.